BRRRR stands for, if you guys don't know, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. So the buy is crucial. The buy is where you make it work. You know, the numbers have to work. Typically, I buy in A through C class neighborhoods. I look for distressed properties where it's growing, developing. I mean, I like the rundown properties. I do. It's a diamond in the rough. Rehab, the renovation from a full gut, added value. In the Midwest, they have a lot of basements, so extra space you can add in to get your ARV, your appreciation up. Rent. Once the rehab is complete, you go to the rent. You hand it over to the PM, they list it, they get it going for you, and you get it rented. You get it cash flowing, and you kind of set and forget it till big ticket items or something comes up. A refinance, that's when you take out. So majority of my properties I own free and clear private money, but that's when you want to refinance. So that's when you pull out your money through a loan and you pay back your lenders, or you sell to a next property. And finally, the last R is repeat, redoing it all over again, cycling.